Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about conditional operator of Java. The topic name is Conditional Construct in Java Part 5. The next slide is about conditional operator. Conditional means expressing condition. What is conditional operator? Conditional operator is expressed by question mark colon. Conditional operator is known as ternary operator. It has three operands. Sometimes conditional operator considered as a shorthand version of the if-else statement. The next slide is about syntax of conditional operator. The syntax is Boolean test expression 1 question mark expression 2 colon expression 3 semicolon. Here Boolean test expression is a conditional statement. If it evaluates to true, then the value of the entire expression is expression 2. Otherwise, the value of the entire expression is expression 3. For example, int x equals to 20, y equals to 16, comma max, semicolon. X, y and max are three integer variables. Max equals to x greater than y, question mark, x colon y semicolon. Here, if x greater than y, this condition is satisfied, then max equals to x value will be executed. Means x value is assigned to the variable max. Otherwise, y value is assigned to the variable max. System.out println maximum equals to close the double quotes plus max. The output will be displayed. According to the part of the programming code, maximum equals to 20 value will be displayed. The next slide contains the syntax of if-else statement in comparison of ternary operator. The syntax is if Boolean test expression 1 within parenthesis. If this test expression is satisfied, then expression 2 will be executed. Otherwise, else part expression 3 will be executed. We considered the same example. Example, int x equals to 20, comma y equals to 16, max semicolon. Here x, y, max are integer variables. X greater than y is a condition here. If x greater than y, this condition is satisfied, then max equals to x. That means x value is assigned to the variable max. Else max equals to y. It means y value is assigned to the variable max. System.out.println maximum equals to close the double quotes plus max, close the parenthesis, semicolon. So the output will be displayed as maximum equals to 20. The next slide contains the difference between if-else statement and ternary operator. If-else statement. Number 1. The logic of if-else statement can be understood easily and executed properly. But the logic of ternary operator is little bit complicated and the code is closely packed together. Number 2. The if-else statement can contain multiple statements in its own if block or else block or both. Number 2. But in ternary operator, single expression is used to express the logic. Number 3. A nested if-else form is easy to understand and it is used to express the logic of a program simply. But a nested form of ternary operator is difficult to understand. Students, in this session I have discussed about conditional operator of Java. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.